Good day everyone. In this video, I'm gonna be presenting to you the vision, mission, core values, motto, and college goals of the Ilocos Polytechnic State College of the Philippines, and also the program objectives of the Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. Vision: a smart, globally competitive, and responsive state university. Mission: UIP is committed to produce globally competent and virtuous human resources, generating advanced knowledge, and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable of society. Impetus, which means innovativeness, motivation, professionalism, excellence, transparency and accountability, unity and teamwork, and sustainability. Motto: Sapientia et virtus in posterum, which means wisdom and virtue for the future. College goals: the program prepares students to be either professionals, both local and global contexts, who are expected to be well served in the application installation, operation, development, maintenance and administration, as well as engage in the lifelong learning endeavors which are capable of contributing in research, extension and resource generation in the field of information systems. Program objectives of the BSIT or Bachelor of Science in Information Technology. There are three objectives in this program. First, the graduates will be competent professionals with an integrated understanding of the computer systems, processes, in the main body of knowledge being in the field of information technology. They will be either professionals engaged in careers such as solution specialist, organizational process analyst, system analyst, and data information and information technology developer. Second, capable of engaging in professional growth, competent and technology-oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to the profession, which includes earning learning higher degrees and competing professional advancement trainings. And lastly, the graduates will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individually. A member or a leader of a team, communicate effectively to ensure social and ethical responsibilities in the community and in their profession.